With another family from Bay County, whose dogs were taken after the hurricane. If you guys want to introduce yourselves.
I'm Jermaine Toppler. Malachi. This is Malachi. This is my wife.
Okay.
I'm Tasha Crawford. We actually went I was in active labor, so they flighted me out from Gulf Coast Regional Medical Center into Fort Walton Beach, in which they stopped my labor. So the only family closest we had was Tennessee, so we could go up there to deliver the baby. We had pictures. I had the landlord coming over feeding the dogs, watering the dogs. Had a roommate that was feeding and watering the dogs. On October the 27th, they left a note saying that they was taken, and left a note saying that was Hurricane Michael. Claimed they didn't know the name of them, but they had been to my house so many times before they knew exactly who my dogs were. They took both of them. I do know that they euthanized Chloe. On February the 8th, they would be 1 year old. They renamed Diamond Biscuit. They had her microchipped. I've traced the microchip, and they said she's not been chipped in anywhere else that's showing up yet. They do have my name down as her owner.
Okay.
On Avid.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. We just want her back. We're just trying to get her back before the 8th for her birthday, but
We definitely want her back.
they renamed her Biscuit. I actually had a lady go to the shelter and found her, and the paperwork, a picture of it. She sent me the microchip number, all that. They spayed her, the whole 9 yards, and they renamed her Biscuit.
Okay. And do you think that they indicated that you might have shipped her out?
I think they did.
Yeah.
The officer that actually come and took them, he was an officer previous that come before the hurricane that kept coming over there. They took the mama dog too, both of them. I know they euthanized her.
What was the date?
When they did things, what, September?
Yeah, they took the mama dog in September.
Okay, but the dog. We're talking about the ones after the hurricane.
After the hurricane, we had both of them, Chloe and Diamond.
Chloe and Diamond were taken, and you got Diamond. And what was the date around that they took Diamond and Chloe?
October the 27th.
October
That
27th.
was the paper that they left on the door.
Is that right? Okay.
And they said we had 3 days to contact.
Now, when you say they, who are you talking about?
At Bay County Animal Control is what it said.
Okay.
And then since then they've charged me with what was it, 3 fines?
Yeah, that was
3 fines.
That's common. We're seeing that often with hurricane victims' pets.
That's in the court system and dated, and there's they did that, and then actually the man that I told not to step back on my property with the Humane Society, I told him if he needed to send somebody else, that was fine, but he was not welcome back on our property. He is actually the one that signed off, that picked them up after the hurricane.
Okay. And you believe that Diamond was shipped out and Chloe was definitely killed? Okay.
Chloe barked.
And how do you guys feel since, could you tell me how your family's doing without your dog? And
They miss her. They keep asking every time I talk to somebody about, have you found your dog or something like that? It's like, did they find Diamond? I really miss Diamond.
so are you hearing other people missing their pets? Yeah. In the same.
We kind of talk, and everybody's like, well, have you found yours? I seen one that kind of looked like yours, but I'm not sure. They send me pictures, and I'm like, no, that's not her.
Yeah.
Because I can tell by her markings.
Sure.
Because she's red and white.
and
Okay.
she has blue eyes. That's why I named her Diamond, because her eyes.
Okay. She's a beautiful dog. I saw her. She's very pretty. And I'm really sorry you guys lost Chloe. I don't know why they euthanized her, but we'll try to find out what happened.
After the hurricane, standing in all the debris.
Okay. You did. We saw those.
They didn't confiscate her before then, so it
Yeah.
was after the hurricane.
Well, I'm going to cut this now unless you guys have anything else to say. One thing we would like to ask you is, did you hear about any other organizations coming through your neighborhood?
We didn't hear of nobody.
Okay.
Actually, we just heard, our roommate just said that people were going around taking the dogs. They said, ASPCA. I
Okay.
think that's the name of it. Was
Okay.
going around actually working, trying to help. recover them and try to find their owners.
Okay.
But I know that Bay County has taken people's service dogs and adopted them out, and they're trying to do everything to try to get them back.
And did they adopt your dog out before that 30-day hold it? But did they send your dog out? Was it, well, it hit October 7th, so apparently they sent your dog out way before that 30-day hold.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Most definitely.
Yeah. Okay. And is there anything else you guys would like to say?
We just like to get our dog back.
Yeah, we'd love to get our dog back.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for this. Okay.
Oh, you're
I'm going to
welcome.
cut the
Thank
tape.
you.